Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. We're looking at alt today, but more importantly, guys, this is the scan that alt is coming from. I would encourage you to come into the trading room. I will explain this scan, the abnormal option activity plus the 10-day daily breakout. This is a combined scan, only gives very few alerts. I can tell you that alt worked extremely well. The S was okay. Play just for a while, and then the BFB. And they're all going to be. I mean, there's no scan in the world that every single one is going to be a winner. But I've been tracking this type of a scan now for, oh boy, a couple of weeks. And just as a watch list, it doesn't give you very many stocks to look at over the course of the day. So if you're kind of new to trading, but you're kind of understanding chart patterns, but you don't want to be overwhelmed with alerts, come into the room. I will explain this and what you're looking at. But look at the alt. I mean, we had the alert at 6:33 right there. And, basically straight up before it pulled back to 749. I mean, that's a tremendous move. Okay, had a little pause there, one little pause there, and now it's starting to pull back a little, but my goodness, that's a great move. Sentinel did almost the same type of thing. So come into the room, I will explain it. Have a great evening, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.